360 C50 Robot Vacuum and Mop, 2600 pascals, Zigzag Cleaning, Scheduled Cleaning, Edge, Spot, Deep Cleaning, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Maximized power, minimized size. The upgraded 360 C50 is only 3.11 thin, but packs 2,600 pascals of suction power. Zigzag Route Cleaning. 18 types of sensors create the ideal zigzag route cleaning path for multi-room cleaning, while avoiding obstacles along the way. 2-in-1 Vacuum and Mop. The 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping robot with its advanced smart navigation technology delivers a new level of interaction and deeper cleaning than ever before. Intelligent water tank. Thanks to the intelligent water tank design, the water flow is controlled precisely so that your floor will be moistened properly and clean thoroughly. Selective Cleaning Modes for various messes. Scheduled, Deep, Edge, and Spot Cleaning Mode deliver you the effortless cleanliness. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.